How do I compare my loan estimate and closing disclosure? Imagine you're about to buy your dream home and want to make sure everything lines up perfectly. The loan estimate and closing disclosure are your tools to do just that. They might seem similar, but they serve different roles in your home buying journey. The loan estimate is sent shortly after you apply for a mortgage. It gives you an idea of what your loan might look like, including the loan amount, interest rate, monthly payments, and estimated closing costs. Think of it as a rough sketch to compare offers from different lenders. The closing disclosure comes later, at least 3 business days before your closing date. It shows the final exact details of your loan. This includes the precise loan amount, the final interest rate, your exact monthly payments, and the final closing costs. To compare them effectively, start by checking the loan terms. Look at the loan amount, interest rate, and monthly principal and interest payments on both documents. The closing disclosure should match or be very close to the loan estimate, but it reflects the final numbers. Next, review the payment schedule. Both documents include estimates for taxes, homeowner's insurance, and mortgage insurance if applicable. The closing disclosure will have the exact amounts you'll pay. Then, compare the closing costs. The loan estimate provides an estimate for fees like appraisal, escrow, and government recording fees. The closing disclosure lists the final costs. Some fees might decrease because lenders often overestimate initially, but if any fees increase beyond the legal limit of 10%, you should ask questions. Look for any changes or surprises. If fees go up more than allowed, it could be a mistake or a sign to clarify with your lender. Also, check for additional details in the closing disclosure that weren't in the loan estimate. These might include penalties for paying off the loan early, whether the lender can demand full repayment at once, and escrow account details. Remember, you have 3 business days after receiving the closing disclosure to review it thoroughly. Use this time to ask your lender or settlement agent questions about anything that seems off or unclear. Comparing these documents helps you confirm that your loan costs and terms haven't changed unexpectedly. If you notice any discrepancies, especially increases beyond the allowed limits, contact your lender right away before closing. By carefully reviewing the loan terms, payment schedule, closing costs, and any new information, you can move forward with confidence, knowing exactly what your mortgage obligations will be when you sign on the dotted line.